Wait, should I bring the gunpowder? Or are we doing that after lunch?
I don't think we're gonna need it, but...
Well, I'll just come back if we need it.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, Christian, are you ready?
Hey, you got up.
Your Uber here to pick up some dude named Carl.
I'm Carl.
Oh, what's up, man?
We just gotta wait for Jimmy's mom. She'll be here shortly. She's just cleaning up.
Get it! Holy Film it! I don't have any memory cards on. Holy shit! I can go get gunpowder.
It's probably the nose ring. We'll take it out.
We have one.
We have two. John has another
He's got another one. All right.
one. Who has a tripod?
John does.
John does. Over here.
Are we good? Do you want to leave this open? Should we close this?
You know I ain't coming back. Yeah.
Hey! Hoorah!
Keep running. Don't stop running. You're dying. You're dying. You know what? Hold on. I'm gonna leave my belt.
An abandoned fishing boat in there.
And more? Back towards the wall?
No, once you get here, you're done. Okay. Yes. All right. You know what? I'm gonna...
Explosives.
There. All right, cool. All right, let's go.
Oh.
We're running through. Now. Cut. All right, cut.
We're gonna have to reset.
Yep, something's wrong with it. One, action. Now. Cut.
Viet Cong war hero, black powder.
Fucking going up Hamburger Hill, baby.
3, 2, 1, go. Now.
Oh, shit.
Beautiful.
So good. Worth it.
Get out of
It's got me.
Oh, shit.
It's got me.
You gotta get out of the clouds.
To you.
That smoke just...
What is this, an M. Night Shyamalan picture? What is this, The Mist?
Holy shit. Ev, get in there real quick.
But go into it.
No, walk on the trail.
Oh.
Like get a side cross shot.
Oh, yeah, follow him. Yeah.
Welcome to my apartment. I've been smoking a cotton a day.
This way.
3 years.
That way.
Anthony, wrong way.
If you taste something sweet, that's just the smoke in your throat.
Cut. Ev, could you just like walk like kind of stealthily through this?
Yeah.
Tab, but maybe, I don't know. Honestly, I didn't ask that many questions to the UPS man.
I'll take the... Actually, you take the picture. You want the picture?
What, are you trying to give it to me?
I mean, he tried to give it to me. I thought that was what y'all, this band was about. Passing off duties.
You ready?
Ready.
All right, live.
Action. Beautiful.
I was right there.
All right. Action. Fire.
Yeah, that was sick.
Cut.
Yeah, that helmet grab.
Yeah,
I got you.
that's fucking awesome.
That's beautiful.
That makes 2. Let me get me
one.
glasses.
Because, dude, I wasn't expecting this trench to be so overgrown.
Yeah, it's a ditch.
So,
We have a minute, right?
yeah.
Okay.
I mean, honestly, man.
Babe, where are the fuses?
I'll grab them. Give me 1 second.
And let's get the smokes. So I have 3 more smokes in the car. Smoke.
So I can do both, maybe.
Got some blood on you. Let's see your bullet hole.
Oh, it just fell off. It literally
We good?
fell off, yeah.
All right, we're still rolling.
Dash. Good. Ready.
3, 2, 1. Woo-hoo!
I forgot my snare stand.
Oh, this
Fuck.
You're not the only one who forgot something.
I know, yeah, I'm aware.
So we can't just leak the video?
Because I was gonna say I recorded something that you drum in, and then I saved it. I was like, I don't know if they want that. That's fine. Okay. Oh, all right, good. Because you're the only one in it. I was like, we built the set.
Oh, you know,
you're
I also
drunk.
forgot the projector.
It's okay.
Oh, is it working?
That's not doing anything. What the
It's
fuck?
faint or
strip.
Thank you. No, I don't know what's going on. You got it okay, buddy?
Did you?
Bro!
I try to like,
Yo.
I try to bump into it, and my
I
guitar
knew I
just
called
like,
it right.
my guitar just like fucking shattered it.
If there was a spark,
Oh, yeah.
what?
Be careful.
Yeah.
Oh, I wish I got that on.
Same.
Slow-mo.
We should break another one intentionally now that we know what happened.
No.
That kind of
If it sparks, we
Yeah,
die!
I'd be
Oh,
very
that's right.
careful
This is
with that.
flammable, right?
Yes!
No.
What?
It's water. It's an
You
air
said you
cold
read
can.
the label and it said flammable.
I didn't read it. Somebody else
extremely
did.
flammable on the label.
Does it?
Yeah.
Let's,
Does it?
do that. Just unscrew it. Careful.
Do we have a
I moved the broom over.